Finding a cash buyer to buy your wholesale deal is one of the most important parts of the process. Without a cash buyer, the deal isn't getting done, the seller doesn't get what they want, and you don't get paid. I'm going to show you exactly how I find cash buyers in my business, plus some bonus strategies you can use to start finding cash buyers for your deals. The first way I find cash buyers for my wholesale deals is by using a tool called InvestorLift. InvestorLift is a program that gives me access to over 4 million cash buyers across the United States and ranks them based on how many deals they do. Whenever I get a new wholesale deal, the first thing I do is get my property plugged into my InvestorLift account. From there, I can email and SMS blast the deal out to all the cash buyers in the surrounding areas where my deal is located. After that, I'll sort the buyers in my area based on the InvestorLift buyer score. InvestorLift assigns every buyer a score based on important factors such as how many deals they buy. I will reach out directly to the buyers with the highest buyer score, and I'll let them know about the hot new opportunity I just picked up. We sell 99% of our deals using this method. Now, the problem with InvestorLift is that it's very expensive, and the membership to the tier of InvestorLift that I have access to and allows me to see all 4 million buyers in the system is limited. InvestorLift does have lower tiers, but I have no experience with them, and I cannot speak on them with an intelligent opinion. If you don't have InvestorLift, here are a couple other options you can use to start finding cash buyers today. Option number one is using Zillow. This is great because it's completely free. What you want to do is search for properties listed for rent in the area you are looking to find buyers in. Start by calling the properties that are listed for rent by owner. Since the owners already own investment properties, it's likely they will want to buy more great real estate deals. Ask them if they're looking to buy any more properties, and if so, what their buy box is. Buy box just means the criteria they require when buying new deals. Some people's buy box will include properties built after a certain year, properties under a certain price, properties with a certain amount of bedrooms and bathrooms, properties with a specific square footage, properties that generate a certain amount of income, etc. The important thing is to find out exactly what the investor is looking for so you can bring them deals that they're going to be interested in. Another strategy is to pull a list of cash buyers using batch leads. If you aren't already using batch leads to pull lists of motivated homeowners, you need to get on that. Go ahead and click the link in the description for a free 7-day trial. In addition to finding sellers, you can use batch leads to find buyers in specific areas. When I use batch leads to find cash buyers, I will search the city I'm looking to find buyers in. Then, using batch leads filter system, I will make sure to filter my search for buyers that purchased using cash within the last 12 months. And I will exclude properties where the mailing address and the property address is the same. Once you've pulled a list of cash buyers in batch, you need to skip trace it so you can reach out to the buyer and see if they're interested in your deal. The final strategy I'm going to talk about is finding buyers in Facebook groups. On Facebook, search real estate investors in and then the name of the city. Here, you're going to find plenty of Facebook groups where investors, fix and flippers, and other wholesalers collaborate and do business. Search these groups for people who are talking about buying real estate and make a connection with them. In conclusion, you can use Zillow, batch leads, and Facebook groups to start finding cash buyers right now. But to be completely honest with you, unless you are doing over 5 deals a month, I strongly recommend JVing with an experienced wholesaler to get your deals sold. What I mean by this is bringing a deal to a wholesaler who knows the market and allowing them to sell your deal for a percentage of the assignment fee. I JV'd pretty much every single deal for the first year of my wholesaling career, and I still JV deals to this day. I recommend JVing to beginner wholesalers for several reasons. Number one is, in the beginning, you need to be spending your time getting contracts. If you spend all your time getting a contract, and then when you get one, you spend all your time finding a buyer for it, then you won't have any new contracts coming in. This is going to cause your business to yo-yo, and you need to make your business consistent. Number two is that partnering with an experienced wholesaler can show you the ropes of the title process. Tricky things are always coming up in wholesale deals, and if you don't know how to handle them, it's really easy to lose the deal completely. In addition to that, when you partner with an experienced wholesaler, you're bringing value to them. They will be much more likely to help you out on any other questions you may have about the business. And you can find some amazing mentors this way. The third reason is that oatmeal is better than no meal. Even though it sucks giving away a portion of your hard-earned assignment fee, it's better than getting no assignment fee at all because you couldn't find a buyer. If you have deals you'd like to JV with me, go ahead and check the description for a link on doing deals with me. Fill out the form with all the information about your deal, and I will be in touch with you right away to let you know how we can get you paid. Guys, that's everything you need to start finding cash buyers today. So get after it and start collecting those assignment fee checks. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification for all the latest real estate tips and tricks.